up, people? This is Everstine Boadu once again. Today I'll be taking you through how to make $100 in a day. That sounds amazing, right?
Right now, my megabytes mine is more than tickets. So me have to let them know say solely viably, flowly this moment. Alright. Ajigon. Thank you, Ross.
So I promise to make today's video short and brief, very short and brief, about 5 minutes, and we are out. So stay tuned, make sure you watch to the end, and if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I know a lot of people are going to criticize me for making this video. I know for sure a lot of my fellow Ghanaians and fellow students out there are going to criticize me. But I think it's wise enough and it's prudent enough for me to share what I do to gain $100 in a day with my audience. Besides, our main aim for coming to school, I'm a student to be precise, our main aim for being here is to get certificates that we can use out there, we can use to work out there and make money. That is the main priority. That is the main aim of every student here on KNUST campus.
So you're going to make money? Exactly. We'll make more we'll make much money.
But wait, what about starting a job? What about doing something that makes money for you but not quitting school and getting a certificate in addition? I think this would be a plus to you, because looking at if you have just one job, a government job, I think it's not reliable enough, and I think you need another job. I'm always surprised when I see young people with iPhone 11, iPhone 12, big smartphones with big names, but ain't nothing, absolutely nothing, makes nothing. Your phone today can be your office. Yes, and I mean it. Your phone is your biggest office that you have. You don't necessarily today have to go to an office to work. You can work from your house. Now, this is not magic. This is not magic. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, how to make $100 in a day. This, what I'm about teaching, is nothing like magic. No, magic doesn't work in money making. It doesn't work. We are not doing juju here, but it's real, man. It's real. For me, the first and the best idea that I want to put across is just do what makes you happy, and you can make money out of it. Why am I saying this? People are starting YouTube channels, people are branding their Facebook accounts, people are branding themselves on Instagram, on Twitter, and they are getting followers. They are doing exchange, they are exchanging products online, they are selling online. They are doing what they love, just like what I'm doing right now. I'm teaching you how to make $100 in just a day. So I'm just doing what I love, and I'm sure I'm gonna make money out of this. So it's just a matter of doing what you love and making money out of it. That's the first step that I want me ask. How is this possible? It's very possible, man. You haven't just figured out how to do it. So today I'm going to take you step by step through how to do what you like best and still make money out of it. Even before I continue, let's go online and search for how much people are making on YouTube, how much these big YouTubers you see online are making. They started just like how I've started, and I'm sure it's going to get somewhere one day. So it's just a matter of starting something, taking a camera, videoing yourself, and you are good to go. Just create a YouTube channel and start something. When the people out there are interested in what you are creating, automatically you are going to earn something from it. But when starting, don't put it in your mind that I want to make money. If you are so much into the making money aspect, you might lose it. Just be willing to make impacts first. Every successful person on earth at least solves a problem. There are so many people out there wanting to know what you do, how you do it, how to do that thing, how to start that thing, but they don't know how to. Maybe you have that, perhaps you have that formula that can help the person.
Katolobo shataya bibia internet Jack na what move na koso no why you move no uniki.
So it's just a matter of pressing record yourself, just like I'm doing. You record yourself and then you post it out there, do a little 1-2 video editing. So in my next video I'll be taking you through how to set up a little home studio or something and start something. I'm in school, as you can see. Look at my background. I'm in school, but I'm still doing videos for you out there because I know it's important for me too. So just do what you love. It's not only YouTube. Just do anything that you love. Me personally, I want to share this experience with everybody. I started a drink production way back in my house during the corona time. I felt, why don't I do something? Just do something. You have this all ideas, you have all these ideas in your head, so why don't you start with something, and perhaps it might go somewhere. So why just start? So I sat down, I thought of what kind of product should I produce that will attract buyers. These are some of the things you should consider if you really want to make money. What kind of product should I produce to attract buyers to myself? Well, and how do I even do it? How? If it's your talent, how do I brand myself to make myself that money? How? Stonebwoy, Shatawale, Joe Mettle, Dana Hamilton, all these big artists that you see out there, they started from somewhere, and now I can tell you for a fact that some of them are making more than 5,000, 10,000, 100,000 daily. Yes, daily. It's just a matter of knowing yourself and how to go about things, and you are good to go. That is it. You are just good to go. So as I said, let's go online and check for ourselves how much some big YouTubers are making online each day. Let's start from Zion Felix. Yeah, Zion Felix. Okay, Zion Felix is ranked 8th in Ghana. 81,464th social blade ranking, 63,243rd subscribers rank, video view 61,851, first video views rank, and as I said, he's ranked 8th in Ghana. Okay, wow. In 30 days he has been able to make 13,000 subscribers. How? Just by creating contents that the people are looking out for, what the people want. His estimated monthly earning is between $857 to $13,700. Wow, that's very huge. Man, that's very huge. 13,000. Even dividing it by 30, if I'm to divide it by 30, you are getting more than $100. So you see, you can start something on YouTube. Start something. Just take a camera, do anything that you love doing. There are people out there wanting to hear from you, wanting to know what you do, wanting to have experience just like the one you do have. Sorry. So let's search for let's go back and search for Kwekumen. Well, I'm only searching for the ones that I know. I'm only searching for the ones that I know. And he also earns between 420 US dollars to 6,700 US dollars. That's huge. That's huge. Yearly, he's earning somewhere between 5,000 US dollars to 86,000 US dollars. What are you then waiting for? I'm only showing you this so that you'll be encouraged to also take up that mantle and start something on your own. That's the main reason why I'm showing you all these things. Let's search for one other person. Think Media. These people have been following them closely. Wow, that's nice. They earn between 894 US dollars to 14,300. Wow, that's very nice. They are ranked 3,552nd in USA. That's very nice. Film rank 784th. Wow. They've been able to make 30,000 subscribers for the last 30 days. So in just a matter of 30 days, they've been able to make 30,000 subscribers. Okay, let's try one more. Who else? Kwajo Sheldon. That's nice. Wow, this guy is in, you know. What? This guy is making money. He's making money. He's really making money, man. 1,100 US dollars to 16,800. Just calculate for yourself. What are you waiting? There's one easy way to make money, but it can be very difficult only if you want it to be difficult. Only if, man, only if. Don't just sit down and be waiting for someone to post out there. Now, as I said, your iPhone, your whatever you've bought can be used for a purpose and can fetch you money. Just by uploading this, you can be able to make money for yourself. So why don't you take up this mantle and just make something for yourself? So thank you for watching this wonderful video. If you like the content that I do create, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell for updates on all the videos that I do upload. I'll be bringing you the part 2 of this particular video, so watch out. Thank you and stay tuned once again. Bye bye.